Hi, Brandon Reagan coming from Guarantee RV Supercenters. Want to show you this 2019 Sundance 273RL. That stands for a rear lounge. So coming to the front of the coach, you have room for 2 propane tanks, 2 batteries, and the power front tongue jack. You're going to have the half cap with a rock guard here with LED lighting, so at night you'll be able to be kind of lit up a little bit. Here, your baggage doors are on a magnet, and it's got a full pass-through storage where you could put chairs, tents, things of that sort, extra camping gear. Nice thing about this trailer is going to have 2 doors, one into the bedroom and the door that we're going to be going into in the living area. So it's got a nice power awning with outside speakers. It's aluminum framed fiberglass coat, so it's lightweight, double axle. And it does have a heated enclosed underbelly, and that's where the heat goes down into the forced air goes down into the underbelly of the coach, which will help keep that underbelly warm in cold weather. You'll see it does have a limited 3-year structural warranty. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So a nice wide door to walk through. It's going to have 2 swivel chairs and a little bit of storage there where you can put drinks and things like that on top of the table. Storage up above. This coach does have a barreled ceiling, so for tall guys like me, I do have headroom. LED lighting all the way through, and then it has the sleeper sofa right here. More storage up above. And then there's a table, which is actually you can store underneath the couch. The table will get set up right here for your dinette, and it'll actually turn into another sleeping area. As we turn around this way, you'll see it's got the big farm sink with more storage all the way down, and then place for pots and pans and such right under the sink. 3-burner stove with the oven right here, and then the microwave up atop. Dometic freezer and fridge, and then pantry space, so you can put popcorn, macaroni, things you like to eat when you're out camping. Here you'll have your Furion IRV system, and that's where you can do DVD, CD, Bluetooth, USB, and then the TV entertainment center, and then more storage above and below. So coming this way, you'll see you've got a nice big bathroom. So it has a corner shower. Even big guys like myself can fit in here. And then a little towel hanger, medicine cabinet, sink, and then more storage underneath the sink. So coming out of the bedroom, or sorry, coming out of the bathroom, we'll walk into the bedroom. And it's a walk around king bed. And then you'll have storage on both sides for wardrobe, and then more storage up above. And then here's the door that leads out of the bedroom. So if you have any more questions on this 2019 Sundance 273RL, call Brandon Reagan at Guarantee RV, 541-214-0223. Thank you.